Hi everyone, my name is Younggu. I'm excited to teach you about cloud computing. I've been working with cloud computing for over 10 years. I've helped lots of companies learn how to use it. Cloud computing is really cool, and I want to show you how it works. My goal is to help you learn about the cloud and feel confident using it. Let's get started. First, we'll learn what the cloud computing means and some important words. Next, we'll learn why cloud computing is useful and how people use it. Let's begin. The cloud helps businesses do well in a few ways. Number one, digital transformation. It helps them keep up with technology. Today, everything is online. The cloud helps businesses use new technology. Number two, innovation and agility. It helps them try new things faster. The cloud makes it easy for businesses to change and adapt quickly. Number three, cost efficiency. It saves them money. Instead of buying lots of computers, businesses can rent space online. Number four, global accessibility. It lets them work from anywhere. Anyone with cloud internet access can use the cloud. This helps businesses work all over the world. The cloud is all around us, even if we don't always see it. Think about the things you use every day. Email, saving photos online, listening to music, while shopping on the internet. All of these use the cloud. The cloud helps businesses do cool new things with their data. They can use it to understand customers better, make smarter decisions, and even create new products. Governments and public services use the cloud too. It helps them save money, work faster, and provide better services to people like us. So, the cloud is not just for tech experts. It's a big part of how we live, work, and play, making our lives easier and better. Imagine a huge toolbox in the sky. That's the cloud. You can use anything in the toolbox, anytime, anywhere, as long as you have the internet. Pretty cool, right? It allows you to use computing resources, storage, network, and software over the internet. Here's how it works. You can grab any tool you need from the cloud toolbox yourself. No need to ask for permission. You can use the toolbox from your computer, phone, or anything that connects to the internet. Lots of people can share the tools in the toolbox, so it's really efficient. Need more tools? No problem. The cloud toolbox can grow bigger in a second. Finished with your tools? The toolbox shrinks back down. And the best part? You only pay for what you use. That's what makes cloud computing so great. It's easy to use, you can access it from anywhere, and it helps you save money. Think about how you turn on the lights at home. You flip a switch, and the light comes on. You don't need to build your own power plant, right? The electricity is already there, ready for you to use. Cloud computing is kind of like that. It's like a power plant for computers, but instead of electricity, it gives you things like space to store your data, photos and videos, power to run your computer programs, software that is ready to use. All you need is the internet, and you can connect to the cloud and use all of these things anytime. It's like having a superpower computer, but you don't have to buy it or take care of it yourself. Cloud services are classified into three models: IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS, depending on the type of service provided. Think of cloud services like ordering food. IaaS is like renting a kitchen. You get all the tools and equipment, but you have to do cooking yourself. This means you rent the basic computer stuff, but you have to set everything up. PaaS is like a meal kit. You get all the ingredients ready to go, and you just follow the instructions. This means the cloud service gives you the tools to build your own apps, and you just focus on creating them. SaaS is like ordering takeout. The food is already cooked and ready to eat. This means you get the complete program you need over the internet, and you don't have to do anything extra. So you can choose the cloud service that works best for you. Using the cloud is like having a superpower for your business. Here is why. It saves you money. No need to buy a bunch of expensive computers. You only pay for what you use, just like paying for electricity. It's flexible. If your website gets really busy, like during a big sale, the cloud can handle it. And when things are quiet, you can easily scale back down and save money. High availability, meaning it's always on. The cloud has backups all over the place. So even if one part breaks down, your website or app will keep working without a hitch. Accelerated innovation, meaning it keeps you ahead of the game. The cloud always has the newest technology, so you can try new things and stay ahead of your competition. Last, but perhaps the most important, is about security. It's super safe. The cloud has the best security experts and tools to keep your information safe and sound. Netflix is a streaming service that allows subscribers to watch a wide variety of TV shows, movies, and documentaries on demand over the internet. Netflix uses the cloud to keep so many movies and shows. That's how they can stream them to you wherever and whenever you want. The cloud also helps Netflix build systems that recommend shows and movies you might like, and ensures everything works smoothly, even when lots of people are watching at the same time. Airbnb is an online platform that connects travelers with people who have space to rent, offering a wide variety of accommodations from private rooms to entire homes. With the power of the cloud, Airbnb can keep track of all the places you can stay and the reservations you make, no matter where you are. It also helps them show you pictures of those places, ensures the website works smoothly, again, even when many people are looking at the same time. This means Airbnb can offer you more places to stay and make your trip planning even easier. Dropbox is a cloud storage service that lets you store files online and sync them across your devices, making it easy to access and share them from anywhere. Dropbox uses the cloud to keep your files safe and easy to share with others. It's like a huge online folder that you can open from anywhere. With the cloud, Dropbox can keep copies of your files so you don't lose them. Protect your files so they are safe from hackers. Make it easy to share and work on files with other people. Today, we learned that the cloud is like a magic toolbox online. You can grab any tool you need, anytime you need it. You can use a little or a lot, depending on what you are working on. The cloud is also super safe and reliable, so you don't have to worry about losing your things. Companies everywhere use the cloud to save money, grow their business, and create amazing new things. Just remember 3 popular models: IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. There are different models for your own purpose. I hope you had fun learning about the cloud. Thanks for listening.